Now that you've seen the VBA code to solve for the future value of a lump sum, let's add one twist. Now we're going to make a payment. It's important that you write down step by step to get exactly what's going on with the problem so you can tell VBA exactly what to do. So it's $1,000, grows at 10% and becomes $1,100. You add the $200 to it and it's $1,300. The $1,300 grows at 10% and becomes $1,430. You add the $200 to it, that's $1,630. The $1,630 grows at 10% and then becomes $1,793. You add the $200 to it and becomes $1,993. So can we make VBA do that exact same thing? So again, we need the inputs. I'm not writing down what those are, but you read the inputs in from the spreadsheet. And then I'm going to do this for next loop. For I equals 1 to 3. And I'm going to have some sort of statement in here. And then next I. And then I'm going to have my outputs. Again, I don't literally type in the word outputs. I have to have the right syntax for that. So we cover that later. So I start out somewhere and say CW for my current wealth is equal to 1,000. That's read in or typed in, whichever way we want to do it. And I say CW is equal to CW times 1.1, right? That's what we had before. But what's the only difference in this? Now we're adding a payment, so I need to have plus some variable for the payment. I'm going to put PAYT for an abbreviation for payment. I can't use PMT because that is a function in Excel, so payment is equal to 200. So what's going to happen if I do this? And in every one of these, in the simpler ones, you can quickly kind of see it in your head, but until you get really good with this, you need to go through each step. And I think going to 3 is kind of the best way to do it because you get to repeat it enough, but not too many times. So I is equal to 1, and CW, VBA believes CW is equal to 1,000. So now the program says again, you read this CW shall be equal to. So CW shall be equal to 1,000, which is CW, times 1.1 plus 200, which is the payment, and that's going to be equal to 1,300. And so that statement is complete. We go to next I is now equal to 2. We go back up to the for loop. So I equal to 2. CW is now equal to 1,300. But CW shall be equal to CW, which is 1,300, times 1.1 plus 200. And now we're at this point. So that's equal to 1,630. We complete this statement. Next I is now equal to 3. So I is equal to 3. CW is still, according to the VBA, it believes CW is equal to 1,630. But now we tell VBA CW shall be equal to 1,630 times 1.10 plus 200, which is equal to 1993. And that's this step right here. So on paper, this is a future value with an annuity. The next thing is, can we put that in to the actual program in Excel and come up with a real answer?